Hello guys, good afternoon. Can you hear me? Kindly type 1. Okay. Before we start with the session proper, good afternoon to all of you. I'm hoping na nasa mabuting kalagayan ng lahat, ano? Okay. Before we discuss the topic for today's session, ano? First, let me open let me share my scratch. Ayan. Okay, can you see my shared screen? Type 2. If you can see my shared screen. Okay. Uh, sige. Okay. Before we start, once again, the presentation, let me give you the technique how to save and how to upload. First, how to save your file outside of Scratch and how to upload a Scratch file from to your uh, Scratch tool. Okay. First is create muna tayo or simply go to ayan, any folder. Ayan. Okay. We've done this sample activity, short activity last Wednesday, ano? Okay, in order for us to download this project, go to your file tab, then save to your computer. Ayan. And once you are done, you can click this download icon. If you are using the Google Chrome, you will see that we have the same interface, ano? Okay, but you can use naman different browser, ano? Pwedeng Edge, pwedeng Mozilla Firefox, or any available browser. And then, if some of our friends gave us a scratch file and we want to view that file, all we need to do is, okay, first let's create a new file or a new project and then click file and then load from your computer and then look for your scratch file that was given to you by your friend. it's up to us kung saan nakasave yung file nyo. For example, nasa download folder or nasa USB drive or nasa desktop. On my part, I have saved my Scratch file dito sa download folder. All I need to do is double click the file. By the way, the file should have period SB3 extension. Okay, be sure you have the extension. If none, ay baka hindi mag-upload ng tama. Okay. Then, double click or single click. If single click, you need to click the open button. If double click, automatic. And then you will be prompted by a statement. Replace contents of the current project. Okay. Okay. Ayan. We do not need to type or to copy the uh, the blocks or the arrangement or the algorithm of the blocks in order for us to have uh, that uh, same application. All we need to do is uh, borrow the downloaded file from a friend or from your teacher. Ayan. Okay. Now, I will show you the mhm, day 2. I think uh, eto yung kulang ng day 2, no? Yung exercise. Okay, sa day 2, okay, open natin yung ano muna. Open natin yung PowerPoint ng day 2, ano? Okay. Sa day 2, the topics that my substitute the teacher taught you are interactivity and event. In the interactivity, we are not limiting our interaction with the computer based on clicks or pressing a key. Ano? It allows us to say something and then the program will do its function. Well, it depends on the function or the blocks you are currently using. Ano? Kung ano yung inilagay mo doon, gagawin niya. Hindi lang sa click, hindi lang sa press, kundi sa boses. Last time, nagkaroon o pinakita ko sa inyo yung sample program. But dito sa day 2 ay ibibigay ko yung code. Yun yung initial or the introduction to some of the interactivity blocks na pwede nyong gamitin. Ano? Okay. Ito naman ay nandito na. Once again, I'm keep insisting you guys na you must have an access to your LMS. Because in the lms.philippinecoding.com, I have uploaded the files already. Ayan. Day 1, Introduction to Scratch and the video. Sa day 2, ito yung ating uh, presentation along with the blocks. Ito. Ito yon. Ito yung exercise 1 na nasa PowerPoint. Last part naman siya makikita eh. Papakita ko lang yung exercise. Ayan. Ito. Exercise 1. Ano ba yung exercise 1? It is dancing sprite. Ano? Ito yung kulang na nagkaroon kayo ng gap na I think hindi yata na-discuss. Ano? By the way, ito na yon. Then, once you learn how to, or once you study the blocks that you can download from the LMS, the exercises 2 and 3 ay pwede nyo ng, I think, pwede nyo magawa. Ano? Okay, ano ba yung dancing sprite? Ang objective is to create a 1080 dance sprite, and that sprite rather ay makikita nyo man sa library. Ayan. Sa library kasi, nandoon yung sprite, if available, yung kanyang costume, yan, makikita din. And also, the sprite came along with the sounds. Ano? Ayan. Okay. Bali, close na natin tong day 2. Ano? Ito naman, ah, wala na tayo ditong recorded video. Kasi nandito na yung blocks na kailangan nyong makita. Okay. Papakita ko lang yung sample ng day 2. Okay. Dito sa day 2, we introduce the interactivity or the interaction through sound, through voice. Ayan. From the previous exercises, meron na tayong key press. Yung key press, ito yung left arrow, right, down, and up. And also, the clicking of the sprite or clicking of the mouse. But this time around, you need to say something, but be sure that the loudness of your voice meet the setting of the block. Okay, ito. Gawin natin tong 50 o 75. Ayan. Okay. Once my voice reaches the level of the uh, predefined value, which is 75, it will say something according to the block. Kasi if 75 na reach niya yung that number, it will say thank you for 3 seconds. Okay. First, let's make it into a full screen. Let's hit the plug. Ayan. Ito. Ito guys na, ayan. Yung aking boses, na-hit na yung 75. That's why, sabi ng dancing girl is thank you. Great dance. Ayan, thank you. Okay, the movement of the girl is based on the keypad direction. Ayan. Pag left, left, right, right. App? Wala na yung app. Ano? Wala na yung app. Okay. Pwede nyo guys lagyan ng app. Palitan nyo lang yung or dagdagan at palitan. Dagdagan ng blocks, ano? Okay, once again, the code of this day 2 exercise 1 is already in the LMS, ano? Ayan. Okay. Then let's create or let's proceed with the okay, before we before we start again. Last time, mm, saan na ba yan? Wait lang guys. Okay, let's create a file. Ito, wait lang guys. Ito guys, masyadong sensitive yung yung loudness. Ano? Pwede nyo guys i-edit ito mamaya, change it to maybe 100. Yung akin, 60, 60 below. Kaya konting increase ng tone of your voice, the application will run. Ayan. And last time, ito yung day 4. I have show it to you naman last time, but you do not have the code. Ito ay available na rin sa LMS. Saan na ba ang ating LMS? Day 4. Ito. Hindi, wala pala. Video link pala. But later, i-upload ko yung code ng etong ating day 4 exercise. Ano ba yung day 4 exercise 3? Kasi every presentation yata ay 3 exercises. Hindi naman natin kailangang yon. We don't need to do the blocks of the 3 exercises. It will consume time. Ito. Exercise 3, the animal orchestra. Ano? Once you see the blocks na, I think you can solve or create the blocks for exercise 1 along with the exercise 2. Ano? Ayan. Okay. Later ko ipo-forward yung file. Siguro i-add ko na rin yung image, ano, para pag image kasi matututo kayo paano kunin or maglagay ng blocks sa inyong canvas, ano. Kasi pag file, all you need to do is upload and then immediately you have the ano na, you have the blocks na. Nakaset na yon along with the sprite, ano. Okay. Mhm. Create na lang tayo ng new, ano. Okay. Let's close it na, the day 4. Okay, let's proceed with the variables. This is the topic that we will be discussing for today's session. Ano? Okay. What is first in general term for any programming, either desktop application program, web application program that uses any languages, ayan, meron tayong general term na variable. Okay, variable or variables as is simply a container, ano? A container, which means once we have a container, it must contain something out of the blue, ano? Isipin natin, variable is like a basket. And that basket, kailangang merong laman. Either a basket of apples, a basket of oranges, a basket of toys. Ano? The toys, apples, can be considered as values. Ano? And the basket can be considered as variable. Ayan. That is the introduction to variable. And all of the languages that are being used today to any type of development for desktop app development and also for the web are using variable. Ayan. Scratch, meron din. Now, ito, skip na tayo. Ibinigay ko sa inyo guys yung pinakasimpleng explanation ng variable. You can read this na once you get this presentation. Okay, variables are to create dynamic and the interactive project. Okay, they use to store, maglagay ng scores, ayan. Pero hindi tayo maglalagay ng apples. Iyon yung parang representation lamang in real world. Yung basket in real world, ang counterpart niya sa virtual is variable. Ayan. Okay. Mm, creating and naming variables. In Scratch, you can create variables in the variable. Eto guys yon. Okay. Palalakihin ko lang ng konti yung aking screen. But the what I'm discussing is on this presentation that you will get naman later. Ano? Okay. And please do remember guys, and for any of the viewers or listeners, I think not only the students are present, ano, in every step or in every session, ang ano ba tawag doon? Yung difficulty of every lesson ay namumultiply as we go along with the session. Kung nag-start tayo sa mahirap, up to last session, pahirap na pahirap. Ganyan naman talaga in programming, in coding, in Scratch, web development, or app development. Ano? Okay. Yung palang variable or variables ay dito makikita. Ito. Dito sa, along with the code guys, code tab. Ayan. Dito lang naman tayo, ito lang naman three tabs ang usual nating common na ginagamit natin. Sounds, costume, code. Ayan. Dito, pwede tayo mag-create ng sound, costume, pwede tayo mag-edit. Ayan. Then code, this is the actual blocks. Okay. Then, ito yung variable guys. Ano? Ayan, variable. Meron tayo ditong make a variable. Meron tayo ditong set block, change block. Meron tayong show variable block. Meron tayong hide variable block. Okay. These are the default blocks from the uh, variables code. Ano? But Scratch doesn't limit naman kung ito lang yung content ng iyong variable. Kasi sa Scratch, pwede tayo mag-create ng ating custom variable. Okay. Then, ayan, set variable block. Okay, it assigns a value to a variable. Change the variable block. Okay, it's handy for incrementing scores, lives, or any other numerical data. Okay, show and hide variable. For the show, it shows or hide the variable and its current value on the stage area. And then we also have the the hide variable. Ano naman yung kanyang function? It displayed the values and also it is being updated in real time. Okay, then we do have the show and hide variable. Okay, yung variable natin, for example, ito. Okay, show and hide variable in our canvas. Yung canvas, ito yung white screen. Pag nagko-code dito, yung ating output canvas, dito yon, yung may sprite. Okay, where can we see the variable? Doon sa ating output canvas. Okay, dito, we have only one variable and that is my variable. Okay, as you can see, it is not, it is unchecked, right? If we check the my variable, okay, you will see the current variable which is in check setting in the uh, dito sa ating canvas. Doon sa upper left corner, dito sa output canvas. Ayan, makikita natin. Then, kapag hindi natin na-click or naka-uncheck, hindi natin For the meantime, hindi natin gagamitin. If we want to use custom or predefined variable, we must check it first. Okay, then let's proceed with the presentation. Okay, ito naman, manually setting up variables. Ayan, saan ba makikita yung normal readout, large readout, yung slider, yung change slider range, and the hide. Ito, let's open the Scratch. Okay, on the output canvas, right click. Ayan, makikita nyo dito yung normal readout, large readout, slider, and hide. Ano? Usually, hindi naman ginagamit ah, ang ito, yung ating manual setting. Hindi na masyado ano. Ang kailangan lang talaga sa variable is the value. Yun ang mahalaga talaga. Pero itong setting, hindi na masyado. Okay. For the meantime, we can skip it naman and let's proceed with the PowerPoint. Ayan. Also, ito naman yung broadcast. I think we have discussed it already na. Yung broadcast. Okay. Uh, I have a question. Well, it's up to you. You can answer my question through chat. Ano? Now, I have a scenario. This is the scenario. I uh, I have two sprites. Ano? I have two sprites. The cat and the bird. Okay. The main sprite is the cat. Okay. I use the block broadcast play song. The variable or the message of the broadcast is play song. Now, the question is, what is the block which I will use for the bird? Ano? Ano yung block na gagamitin ko para matanggap ko yung message na ibinigay ni Sprite, which is the cat? Ano? You can type in your answer sa ating chat box. What do you think is the block na gagamitin once I once the main sprite broadcast something? You can seek help to your to your seatmates. Correct. When I receive, ayan. When I receive block, ito yon. Papakita ko lang. Wait lang, di ko rin makita. Saan na ba yan? When I receive can be found in saan nga ba ang when I receive? Ito, nasa events. Ano? When I receive, ito. Okay. Every time you broadcast something, okay, and the broadcaster is the main sprite, some of the sprites will receive that broadcast. Kailangan. Kapag may nag-broadcast, meron dapat mag-receive. Kasi doon sa broadcast, meron siyang function na ibinibigay na kailangan nating tanggapin. Kapag hindi natin tinanggap, hindi magraran yung ating program. Ano? Yan yung execution. 'Di ba? Kapag binigyan ka ng pera ng iyong mommy or daddy, syempre tatanggapin mo. Yung iyong mommy nag-broadcast ng pera, ikaw nag-receive ng pera. Ganun yun. Okay, delete na natin. Okay, let's proceed with the presentation. Tips for using variables. Okay, countdown timer. And ito. Design a simple quiz with a multiple choice question using the ask and wait and answer block around 3 to 5 questions. Use the default cut sprite or you can choose one from the library. Use the blocks on the right as a reference. Okay, ito yung kanya mga of set okay, I have a question once again. Set of instruction. Ito. The set of instruction for this particular activity are 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. 6 rather. Yan. Okay, ulitin ko. The set of instructions are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. The question is, what is the term that represents the set of instruction? You can type in your answer in the chat box. The term that we are using for creating a set of instruction. Ano? If I'm not able to share it with you during the day one, ano kaya sa tingin nyo? Ano kaya yung mm, term ang tawag? Okay. If, once again, if I'm not able to teach that, ano, what do you think? Ano? You can ask your seatmates kung ano yan. Ano kaya yon? Napag-aral na ituro kaya yun ni Teacher Jet? Ayan. Ano kaya? And I'll give you a hint that the term or the answer from my question is being used even you are an experienced or a professional app developer or web developer or business analyst or data scientist. Okay. I think hindi ko na ituro. Okay. I'll give you ano lang. Ita-type ko na lang. The answer is eto. Can you see my ano? Can you see my may the answer for my question? I think hindi ko talaga na ituro yung algorithm. Kasi yung algorithm, you will at least at very young age, you know na agad yung algorithm. Yung algorithm, ito ay your introduction in creating a set of rules. Ano? Ayan. Magagamit nyo to, matatandaan nyo to paglaki nyo or pagtanda na yung teacher jet ibinigay yung algorithm. Pag lolo na kayo, ah, matatandaan nyo pa rin, gagamit pa rin kayo ng algorithm. Ayan. And by the way, insight na Scratch, if you want to create Scratch application, go to web development. You will create your own Scratch web application. Okay. we cannot I will discuss this naman, but I think we do not have a lot of time to type. But I will give you the output of this activity, which is the countdown timer. Ano? Okay. First, ano ba ang objective netong ating activity? Okay, number two, create a timer, a remaining time application. Okay, and then according to the procedure, once the timer starts and syempre pababa timer nun, pababa. When the timer reach the zero time, it will say something. Ayan. Yun yung kanyang objective netong application. Okay. I will show it to you na. I'm just looking for that file kung saan nakasave. Ito ay ano ba to? Day 5, isang activity lang naman yata. Okay, isang activity lang. Day 5 activity. Ayan. Okay. Gawa tayo ng mm, mm, day 5 underscore activity. Isa lang naman yung ating activity, ano. Okay, then we will upload the file. The file, once again, is in the format of period SB3. Ito yon. Day 5.sb3. SB3, we call it the extension name. Ayan. Malakihin natin ng konti. The one thing na hindi natin masyado magawa is yung dragging. Yung dragging of canvas. Kasi ito, usually, dapat ito nadadrag. Ano? Napapalaki natin. Napapalaki yung ating code canvas. Ang napapalaki natin is yung ating output canvas. Kasi once we click the full screen, malaki siya. But yung ating code canvas, medyo maliit. Hindi niya ma-contain yung buo. Nako-contain naman siya, pero yan, bumalik. Lumabas. Okay. What is once again, the objective of this activity? Okay. Once we run or once we play this activity for today's session, the sprite or the character in the output will ask who is the current president. It will give us two options. One or letter A is Pacquiao, which is we call it the no, pambansang kamao. Yan, si Manny Pacquiao. And then, we also have the Bongbong Marcos. Okay, yung Bongbong Marcos medyo mahaba. That's why I only included the name Bongbong. Okay, and Bongbong is the option B. Now, we have two options. Once again, A, Pacquiao, B is Bong. Okay. That is the question. Ano? Kung sino ang president. Now, okay. Then, this time naman, itong second batch or second code block, ito, second when plug click, the question is, or this application give gives us an allowance to answer question, either A or B. Now, the question has a 10-minute, not 10-minute, masyado mahaba. A 10-second timer, ano? It will magka-countdown siya from 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. Ano? That is the activity. Pero kulang. Kulang yung activity. Pero hindi na ako nagsama. Kasi it's supposed to be make a stop when it reaches the zero value. Okay, pero medyo ano na 'yon, lalampas tayo ng konti sa current presentation. That's why hindi ko in-include. At kung ano lang yung nasa presentation, doon muna tayo mag-stick. But the exercise that you will be seeing after this is in, I think, medyo advanced ng konti lang naman. Ano, konti lang. Okay. Let's make this in a full screen. Ayan. Ito guys, ay 10-second lamang. Okay, let's click the go button to run the application. Ayan. Okay, first, you can see, you are currently seeing an application that asks a question if whoever is the current, who is the current president of the Philippines, either Pacquiao or Bongbong. And then on the upper right corner of the output canvas, you will see the sprite. Sprite 1 colon timer. And then we have a value of, yan, meron tayong, ayan, meron tayong currently negative 37, 38, 39, 40. It should, well, siguro assignment nyo na yon na kailangan maglagay tayo ng stop. Ano? Na pag it reaches zero, mag-stop na siya. Okay. But this application, when it reaches zero, the sprite will say something. Ano yung sasabihin ng sprite? Or or ni ano, we can name our cat Felix, ano? Felix the cat para ano, para mas maganda namang tingnan, ano? We are always using Felix. Felix the cat or si Garfield. Okay. Now, what if we choose the correct answer, which is letter B, which is Bongbong Marcos yung ating current. Okay. Let's stop for the moment and then let us go to uh, play button. Ayan. Let's choose B, which is correct naman. Then hit enter. Ayan. Okay. And then time's up, correct. That is the that is on the uh, what you saw is the blocks that uh, that are on the presentation. Ano? Once we ano bang tawag dito? Um, once we finish once we end our session, you can tweak the code kasi I know naman you have used the if block, ano? Kalagay doon, if zero, say, or stop the countdown. Ayan. I think baka hindi nyo pa magawa for the meantime, ano? Medyo mahirap pa yung blocks na ganon. Yung ating exercise later, medyo mahirap-hirap gawin. Okay. Walang stopper. Kasi dito, ito yung ating application, once we choose A, dapat pag pinili sa A, nakalagay ay wrong answer. Ano? And then, if we choose B, ang lalabas or ang sasabihin ni Felix is correct answer. Ayan. But, ito lang yung kanya sinasabi. Time's up. Ayan. Okay. Ito guys, once again, will be forwarded later. Ano? Okay, let's proceed with the exercises. But we will not solve this three exercises. I keep mentioning during the day 1 until the day 4 in every or in all of the exercises, it doesn't mean the content or the scenario of an exercise is long, doesn't mean it is hard to code. And if the content of the exercise is short, it doesn't mean it is easy to code. Minsan kabaliktaran. Yung maigsi, mahirap i-code. Yung mahaba, madaling i-code. Ayan. Back, etong ating three exercises, lahat ay maigsi. Simple means lahat ay mahirap i-code. Ano? Okay. Dito na lang muna tayo sa exercise 1. Ayan. And then, yung exercise 2, once you get along with the codes na gagamitin na makikita nyo sa exercise 1, then right there and then, you can, you can do the two remaining exercises. Ano? Okay. Medyo mahaba yung ating blocks for the exercise. Okay. Let, ayan. Let me stop this activity and then let's create a new file. Day day 5 underscore exercise 1. Ayan. Then save. I-copy natin yung ating file. Yung 5 wala pa guys ha. Later ko pa isi-send. Itong day 5 exercise 1, medyo na-tweak ko na ng konti. Pinaganda ko pa ng konti para ma-excite naman kayo sa for this activity. Kahit mahirap, ah, I added some tweak, you know, to make it more hard or fun. Well, it's up to you. If the this application is hard to code, hard to think of the answer, or very fun doing the blocking. Yung blocking, in other terms, ito yung paggawa ng blocks. Ano? Blocking ang tawag. Pwedeng blocking, pwedeng coding. Kasi at the backbone of this block, it is a code. And the code is a set of instruction, which is, in other words, the algorithm of the block. Okay, copy ko lang to. Medyo baka ma-overwhelm kung i-discuss natin. But during the weekends, pwede nyong stud the code. 5 exercise. One. Ito. Paliliitin lang natin ng konti. Medyo madami na to guys. Ano? Konti pang zoom out. Di sa kasya sa ating monitor. Sa ating, ayan. Ito na lahat. That is only for the sprite 1. And then, we do have for sprite 2. Doon muna tayo sa sprite 2 kasi medyo maunti. Konti lang yung blocks of, yung blocks that we use. Ano? For the button, okay. Before we discuss the blocks, let me make it into a full screen. Okay. This application accepts the weather input, ano, or the temperature input by a user. Okay. 'Di ba when we kapag meron tayong flu or sakit, lagi tayong uh, chine-check ni mom or dad ng what is the temperature. Usually the unit of measurement that we are using is the Celsius. Ano? Yung ating pang-measure ng temperature either ilalagay sa underarm or sa tenga or if we have the digital reader, pwedeng ilagay sa tenga, ilalabas doon reading either 25, 35, 37, so on. So, wag naman sigurong 40 kasi ano na 'yon, trangkaso ng matindi, ano. Siguro 25 or not 25. 32, 35 yan. Yan yung best measurement of the temperature. Now, this app, uh, the sprite Felix asking what is your temperature. Okay. And then, that is for Celsius. Once we enter our temperature, we are given another option if we want to convert that temperature into another unit of measurement, and that is Fahrenheit. Dalawa lang naman ang we have only two unit of measurement pagdating when it comes to temperature. Celsius and the Fahrenheit. Okay. Ating i-input dito is 25 or it's up to you. We will convert Celsius to Fahrenheit or vice versa. That is the objective of this app. Now, This green button on the upper right corner, once we play this up, it will ask clear the setting. Kumbaga, bubarahin niya yung mga isinet nating values. Ayan, okay. First is play natin using the plug or the go button. Ayan. Okay. Felix the cat asks us, enter the temperature. Let's try to input 25. Ayan. Okay. Then, hit enter key. Okay. Then, Felix the cat asks another uh, uh, option if we want to convert the uh, the input from Celsius to Fahrenheit or vice versa. Now, we will convert the 25 from Celsius to Fahrenheit kasi yun yung common na ginagawa ng isang ah, thermometer, yung pang-check or digital thermometer or yung stick, ano? Okay. Then we only need to type C to F, capital C, then capital F. This means the 25 will be converted from Celsius to Fahrenheit. Okay, then hit the enter key. Okay, and then Felix Duquette gives us the final conversion. If we enter the 25 Celsius and then it will be converted into Fahrenheit, which is 77. Now, that is the not activity, the scenario of the exercise 1. Now, I just added some tweak. Okay. Nag-clear tayo ng temperature, converted temperature, and then the conversion type. We will clear the readings. Ano? Okay, by means of clicking the green button. Ito parang ano, parang kalamansi. Para siyang ah, lemon. Okay, once we click the green colored button, Felix the cat says hello. And the temperature along with converted temperature and the conversion type is gone. Ano? Yun yung added feature. Okay. It's 3-4. Lampas na tayo.